Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Neha and today I have a weight loss workout for beginners, and guess what? You don't have to jump. Isn't it great? So let's get started. Ready? Let's start. Let's start with arm circles. Make big arm circles. We're warming up. Let's warm up. Keep going. Now in the opposite direction. Let's warm up. Okay, now cross your arms. Keep going. Alright, now just march. Bring your knee up. A few more seconds. Keep going. Alright. Now we're going to start. So, keep your core tight. Okay. Bring your arms up and clap. Under your knee. Let's do it for 30 seconds. Keep going. Now rest. How are you feeling? I hope you're feeling good. And you don't have to jump. That's something to feel good about. Okay, now bring your arms to your knees. Just keep your core tight and keep walking. You can go at your own pace. Fast or slow, just keep going. Rest. Good job. Now arms up diagonally. Got it? Core tight, arms to knee, go. Slow or fast, it's up to you. Keep going. You're doing really good. Come on, keep going. 10 more seconds. Alright, now we have to do on the other side. Get ready. Keep breathing. Now this side. Arms up. Arms to knee. Go. Try to crunch. Good. Yes. This is a great workout for beginners. Keep going. Rest. I think this is a great workout for everybody. Yes. Cross twists. Bring your knee up. This is fun. Fun workout. Rest. Other side. Keep breathing. Get ready. Come into position and go. Bring your knee up. Twist. Like I said, go at your own pace. You can go slow or fast. You just have to keep going. Rest. Now, come in a squat position and you have to walk. Back. Right side. First. Stay low. You just have to stay low and keep your core tight. Rest. That was right leg. Now what? Left leg. Right. Get ready. Come in a squat position and start with your left leg. Stay low. Squat walks. Rest. Are you having fun? I hope you are. Get ready for the next exercise. Squat and leg raise. The side first. Feel. Keep your core tight. Up. Let's do this slowly. You have to feel this. Rest. Get ready, get ready. Come in a squat position. Up, leg raise. Slowly. Rest. Now next exercise is easy. Jackknives, standing jackknives. Opposite arm, opposite toe. Cross, cross, twist, twist, twist. Look back. Keep going. Keep your core tight. That's really important. Rest. Now we have to step back like this. Step back and up. Okay. Get ready. It's like a lunge. One side. Go at your own speed. Keep balancing. Last one. Rest. You're doing really great. Now this side. Get ready. Back. Lunge. Slow or fast? Slow. Let's go slow. Rest. Keep breathing. Now we have to do, I'm in a squat position. We have to tap our feet side. Okay, got it? Go. Stay low, keep your core tight. Keep going, stay low. Okay, rest. Next is squat pulses. Squat, squat, up and down. Stay down, stay low. Keep going. All right. Now stop. Next is plank walk. You have to stand and walk into a plank and back. Let's do plank walks. Walk, back. You can bring your arms up. Rest. Now again come in a plank position. Okay. Now touch your alternate toe. Keep the core tight. Twist and touch. Keep going. You're doing good. You can do it. Now rest. Now next is mountain climbers. Slow mountain climbers. Keep your core tight and bring your knee in slowly. Keep squeezing your core. Rest. Alright, so this is the last exercise. Mountain climbers, but this time we have to go fast. Alright, come in a plank position. Come on, give your best. This is the last exercise. First, bring your knee in. Try to go fast. Come on. Core tight. Keep going. Rest. Okay, that was good. Now take a deep breath. Now let's do a Cobra stretch. Come in this position. Stretch your upper body. Breathe out. This feels good. Let's do this one more time. Back. Keep breathing. Breathe. Breathe out. You did a great job today. And I hope you enjoyed this workout. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with more workouts. Till then, bye-bye and take care.